warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Miss.
How is it going today?
I'm fine, thank you, and you?
I'm fine, thank you. Well, before we start, let's take roll first. Nur Sunfia,
Present, Miss.
Aulia,
Present, Miss.
Elsa.
Present, Miss.
Okay, let's start the lesson with a basmalah.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Ar-Rahmanir-Rahim. Maliki yaumiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim ghairil maghdubi 'alaihim waladdallin. Amin.
Here, I will explain a description of what a flipped classroom.
Okay, Miss.
Flipped classroom or inverted class is a learning model in which the traditional learning process is reversed. In this approach, learning material are delivered to the student before face-to-face meetings, usually through videos, digital modules, or reading materials that can be accessed independently at home. Then, class time is used for active activities such as discussion, group work, Q&A, problem solving, or collaborative project. Today's learning activity is about solving social problems. So I will ask you to look for social problems and answer the question below. First, why did you take that case? Second, why did that case happen in? Third, what are the consequences of that case? Fourth, in which group did that case happen? 5. Who are the majority of those who committed? Okay guys, is it done?
Done, Miss.
Okay, you can presentation now.
Okay, Miss.
Please first, Elsa come forward for presentation.
Yes, Miss. Okay, hello everyone. I will presentation the assignment given by Miss Vivi, and I take the case is bullying. Why did I take this case? I just bullying as it's a pervasive issues affecting individuals of all age, background, and environment cause harm to mental and physical well-being. And why did this case happen? Bullying occurs due to various factors, including power imbalance, lack of empathy, and social and cultural norms. What are the consequences of this case? The consequences of bullying are severe and long-lasting. First, mental health issues. Second, physical harm. Third, social isolation. And in which scope did this case happen? Bullying occurs in various settings, including school, workplace, and online communities. And the last question is, who are the majority of those who commit this case? The majority of individuals who engage in bullying behavior are: first, younger males; second, individuals with low empathy; and the last is those with a history of trauma. Individuals who have experienced trauma or abuse may be more likely to engage in bullying behavior. Maybe enough from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, Elsa. Next, Nur Sophia come forward for presentation.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
I would like to presentation about social case, the corruption. Corruption. Why did I take this case? I choose corruption as it's a pervasive issue that affects individuals, communities, and societies worldwide, with significant economic, social, and political implications. Why did this case happen? Corruption occurs due to various factors, including lack of transparency and accountability, poor government and weak institutions, economic inequality and poverty. What are the consequences of this case? The consequences of corruption are severe and multifaceted. Economic costs, social inequality and injustice, erosion of trust and confidence. In which scope did this case happen? Corruption occurs in various settings including government and public institutions, private sector and business, international organization and development project, where the majority of youth who commit this case, the majority of individuals and groups involved in corruption are government officials and politicians, business leaders and executive individuals with power and influence. Regina from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Next, Aulia Salsabila come forward for presentation.
Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
So today I will present about the topic. The topic is bullying in school. Why did I take the case? Because it is a serious, widespread problem that affects the well-being of students and their educational outcomes. It has lasting psychological, emotional, and social consequences, making it a crucial issue to address in education system worldwide. And then the second, why did the case happen in school? Because there are 3 points. The first one is peer pressure and social hierarchies. Adolescents are often navigating complex social structure, and bullying can arise as a way to assert dominance or fit in. And then the second is lack of awareness or inadequate intervention. Some schools may not have effective anti-bullying programs or may not act quickly enough when incidents are reported. And then third, cultural and family influences. Children may model behavior they see at home or in the media, which can contribute to aggression and bullying. And then the third, what are the consequences of the case? First is mental health issue. Victim may experience anxiety, depression, and lower self-esteem. And then second, academic difficulties. Bullying can lead to students avoiding school, which in turn affects their academic performance. And then the third, long-term social impact. Victims and perpetrators alike may struggle with relationship and behavior into adulthood. And then last, school environment issues. Bullying creates a hostile and unsafe environment, making it harder for all students to learn and live. And then fourth, in which school did that case happen? Within primary and secondary school, that can also happen in universities. It is a widespread issue globally affecting schools in both developed and developing countries. And then next, who are the majority of those who committed the case? First, other student. The perpetrators are often peers of the victims, ranging from older students seeking dominance to younger ones mimicking negative behavior. Second, sometimes even bystanders, students who do not actively bully but encourage or tolerate the behavior contribute to the bullying culture. So, I think enough. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, Amelia. Thank you for the contribution. I will close class today. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, Miss.